Hi guys, today's math lesson is kind of an art lesson and a math lesson. It's going to be fun. Ready? What you're going to need for this lesson is a marker, a white piece of paper, and you're going to need one of each coin. A quarter, a dime, a nickel, and a penny. Okay, and you just need one of each. And then you need some crayons. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a piggy bank. So before we start, it'll be a guided drawing of how to draw a piggy bank. So we're going to draw a little piggy. And to make a piggy, you just make a little circle up in the top. Then you're going to make a nice big fat body. You want your piggy bank to hold a lot of money. You're going to give it a leg here, a leg here. And this is the fun part. You can do a twisty pigtail. Okay. Then you're going to draw two ears on the head, kind of triangle shaped. Okay, and then give him two eyes. All right. Then you give him a snout with two little nose holes. And then up on the top of your piggy bank, you need a place to put your coins in. So you're just going to draw a little slot for all of your coins to go into your pig. Okay? So now what you get to do is you get to do coin rubbings. You can take any of the coins that you have and just go ahead and start making coin rubbings. To do that, it's a little tricky. You're going to take your coin. For me, this is a quarter. I'm going to put it underneath the pig. And I'm going to kind of hold down on it with two fingers right here. The coin is right here, and that's going to help keep it in place. Okay? Then you take a crayon, and you start your rubbing. And it's pretty cool. It's almost kind of magic, because you can see the outline of George Washington, who's on the quarter. I can see kind of an outline of some of the words. So what I want to do is I want to remember, oh, this was a quarter. A quarter is worth 25 cents. So I'm going to write 25 above the coin that I just colored. Okay? Now I can take a different coin, and if you want to do different colors for each coins, that could be a good idea. It's up to you to kind of experiment with what colors work best. I've always thought that darker colors show up more, but it's kind of fun to experiment with everything. So now I'm going to take a dime. A dime is the smallest coin, and it's worth 10 cents. I'm going to put it underneath my pig, and again, put two fingers on each side, and I'm going to do a coin rubbing. And there we go. I can kind of see the torch and some of the plants that are on the back of a coin. And I'm going to remember this was a dime, so I'm going to write 10 cents. Okay? So maybe I will say, hey, you know what? I'm going to make all of my dimes kind of this pink color. All of my quarters can be one color. That way you can kind of help organize how many you have. And so this one, for the dime, I did the back side. Maybe I'll do another one with the front. Okay, so I'm going to rub on the front. And this time I have the head side of a dime, and I can write 10 cents. Okay, now I'm going to try the nickel. Maybe for the nickel I'll use a green crayon, and I'm going to go ahead and put it underneath my pig. Put my two fingers on the side of it to hold it down, and go ahead and start rubbing. And I can see the outline of the Jefferson Memorial just a little bit. And above it, I'm going to write 5 cents to help me remember that was a nickel. And I'm going to do one more. Maybe I'll do the last one in red. And the last one to do is the penny. So I'm going to go ahead and put the penny underneath my pig. And I'm going to do a rubbing. And I see Abraham Lincoln's face coming out. Okay, so you can do this as much as you want, but when you're done, I want you to really focus on writing the coin amounts above your coin rubbing. And as an extra challenge, you can try to add up how much money you have in your piggy bank. Okay? So for me, I have 25 cents here. 25 plus 10 is 35. 35 plus 10 is 45. 45 plus 5 would be 50. 50 plus 1, that's pretty easy. That's 51 cents. So then on the top, you can write your total and write 51 cents. Okay? So you can do this a couple of times. If you make a few mistakes with your coin rubbings, you can just start over and make a new piggy bank. Okay? Have fun. This can be a really fun art and math activity.